Have you ever pondered over the mysteries that the animal kingdom holds? This vast realm of life is teeming with an astounding diversity of creatures, each with their unique traits, behaviors, and adaptations. It's a world that never ceases to amaze, brimming with fascinating tales of survival, coexistence, and evolution that have been unfolding for millions of years. When we think of animals, our minds typically conjure up images of familiar species we often encounter in our daily lives. The chirping birds perched on our windowsills, the squirrels scurrying up the trees, or the household pets that share our homes and hearts. But the animal kingdom stretches far beyond our everyday experiences and common sightings. Picture the dense jungles of the Amazon, the vast savannas of Africa, the deep blue oceans and the towering mountain ranges. In these remote and often inaccessible corners of our planet, there exist animals that many of us might not have even heard of. These creatures are the unsung heroes, the rare and exotic species that are the hidden gems of the animal kingdom. From the tiniest insects that buzz invisibly around us to the majestic beasts that roam the wilderness, each animal plays a crucial role in the intricate web of life. Some have adapted to the harshest climates and toughest terrains. Others have evolved peculiar features and behaviors that make them stand out in the crowd. They are the enigmatic dwellers of the wild, the elusive and the extraordinary, waiting to be discovered and appreciated. These hidden gems of the animal kingdom offer a deeper understanding of biodiversity and the intricate balance of nature. They remind us of the unseen wonders that exist beyond our urban landscapes. They challenge our perceptions, pique our curiosity, and inspire awe at the sheer variety and complexity of life on Earth. So, are you ready to venture beyond the known, to delve deeper into the animal kingdom, to seek out the extraordinary amidst the ordinary? Are you prepared to be awed, surprised, and humbled? If so, fasten your seatbelts, as today we embark on a journey to uncover these hidden gems of the animal kingdom. Imagine a creature of the night with ears larger than its face, dwelling in the Sahara Desert. Today, we're turning the spotlight onto the fennec fox, a true hidden gem of the animal kingdom. The fennec fox is a small yet charming creature that calls the extensive Sahara Desert its home. This fox is the smallest species of the Canidae family, which includes wolves, foxes, and other dog-like animals. But don't be fooled by its size, because what it lacks in stature, it makes up for in adaptability and survival. One of the fennec fox's most striking features is its enormous ears. These aren't just for show, they serve a critical function. These large, bat-like ears are filled with blood vessels that shed heat and help keep the fox cool in the scorching desert heat. It's nature's very own air conditioning system, if you will. As a creature of the night, the fennec fox has adapted to a nocturnal lifestyle. When the sun sets and the desert cools, the fox emerges from its den to hunt for food. Its diet consists of insects, small rodents, and sometimes even the occasional desert fruit. Its large ears also play a role here, permitting it to hear the slightest movements of potential prey under the sand. And speaking of sand, have you ever tried walking barefoot on a beach on a hot summer's day? The fennec fox does that every day, but it has a secret weapon: its fur-covered feet. This special adaptation not only protects its paws from the hot sand, but also aids in navigating the tricky dunes of the Sahara. In a landscape as harsh and unforgiving as the Sahara, survival is no small feat, yet the fennec fox, with its unique characteristics and adaptability, not only survives but thrives. From its oversized ears to its fur-covered feet, every aspect of its existence is a testament to nature's ingenuity. The fennec fox, a true desert jewel, thrives in one of the harshest environments on Earth. Join us as we continue our journey uncovering more hidden gems of the animal kingdom in our next segment. Picture a creature with a body like a horse, a head like a giraffe, but with stripes like a zebra. Confused? Well, let's journey together to the dense rainforests of the Democratic Republic of Congo and meet this extraordinary creature, the okapi. The okapi is an animal that seems to have been assembled from the spare parts of other animals. Its body shape is reminiscent of a horse, yet it carries a head that could easily be mistaken for a giraffe's. But the real surprise is at the back, where it sports zebra-like stripes on its rump and upper legs. An absolute marvel of nature, wouldn't you agree? Now, the okapi isn't just a collage of different animals. It has its own unique features too. It's a solitary creature, preferring to live alone rather than in herds. In fact, they are so elusive that they were unknown to the Western world until the early 20th century. Living in the dense rainforest has its challenges, but the okapi is well adapted to its environment. It has a long prehensile tongue, much like a giraffe's, which it uses to pluck leaves and buds from trees. It also has an impressive hearing ability, with large flexible ears that can rotate independently. This allows the okapi to detect even the slightest sounds, an essential survival skill in the rainforest where predators may lurk behind each leaf. But the okapi's survival is not just about avoiding predators. It also plays a vital role in the rainforest ecosystem. By eating and digesting a wide variety of plants, the okapi helps to disperse seeds throughout the forest, contributing to the diversity and health of its habitat. So despite its seemingly mismatched appearance, the okapi is perfectly suited to its life in the rainforest. It's a testament to nature's ingenuity, a creature that has adapted beautifully to its environment and plays an important role in maintaining it. The elusive okapi, a remarkable blend of the familiar and the exotic, remains a hidden gem in the heart of Africa. Now let's dive into the waters and meet a creature that can regrow its own limbs. Our next hidden gem of the animal kingdom is a creature that seems to have stepped straight out of a fairy tale. The axolotl, an amphibian that resides in the tranquil waters of Mexico's Xochimilco Lake system. This is no ordinary amphibian though, it's a salamander, but not as we commonly know them. The axolotl, often referred to as the Mexican walking fish, though it's not a fish at all, is a type of salamander that never undergoes complete metamorphosis. This means it retains its larval form throughout its life, a phenomenon known as neoteny. So, while most salamanders eventually abandon their aquatic life to become terrestrial adults, the axolotl remains forever a child of the water, complete with external fringed gills and a dorsal fin running down its back. But what makes the axolotl truly fascinating is its astounding regenerative abilities. Lose a limb, no problem. The axolotl can grow it back, bone, muscle, nerve and all, and it doesn't stop there. These remarkable creatures can also regenerate their heart, lungs, and even portions of their brain and spinal cord. This incredible capacity for regeneration has made the axolotl a star in scientific research, offering hope for advances in human medicine. But while axolotls may be thriving in laboratories around the world, in the wild, they are critically endangered. Their sole natural habitat, the Xochimilco Lake system, has been severely impacted by urbanization and pollution. Conservation efforts are underway to protect and restore their environment, but their survival hangs in the balance. In the grand tapestry of life, the axolotl is a thread of wonder, a creature that defies the norm and challenges our understanding of nature's capabilities. It's a testament to the diversity and resilience of life on our planet. The axolotl, with its extraordinary abilities, is an aquatic gem teetering on the brink of extinction. Isn't it astounding how diverse and unique the animal kingdom is? Each creature contributes to the grand tapestry of life in its own distinctive way. The fennec fox with its outsized ears and nocturnal habits is a perfect example. These endearing creatures, native to the Sahara Desert, are uniquely adapted to their arid environment. Their large ears not only enhance their hearing but also dissipate heat, helping them stay cool in the scorching desert. Then we have the okapi, a hidden gem from the dense rainforests of Central Africa. This rare and elusive creature, with its zebra-like stripes and giraffe-like physique, is a wonder to behold. Despite their striking appearance, they have remained largely unknown to the world until the early 20th century, a testament to their secretive nature. Next, we wade into the waters and meet the axolotl, a fascinating amphibian that calls the ancient lakes of Mexico home. These creatures, often known as Mexican walking fish, are not fish but salamanders that retain their larval features throughout their life. Their ability to regrow lost limbs and even vital organs is nothing short of miraculous. But these unique creatures are more than just curiosities. They play crucial roles in their respective ecosystems, and their survival is intertwined with the health of our planet. The desert, the rainforest, the ancient lakes, these habitats teem with life and are as unique and precious as the creatures they shelter. However, these habitats are under threat, and so are the species that call them home. Habitat destruction, climate change, and human interference are pushing these unique species towards the brink of extinction. As we continue to explore and understand the animal kingdom, we unveil more hidden gems, each with a unique story to tell. But it's up to us to ensure these stories keep being told. Let's cherish these gems of the animal kingdom and strive to protect them and their homes for generations to come.